Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Surfshark account. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Surfshark website. Log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account Settings. Inside your account settings, find the Security tab. Here you will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the Setup button. You will see two options. You can use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, or you can use email codes. For this tutorial, we will use the email method. Select Email. Surfshark will send a confirmation code to the email address connected to your account. Open your email inbox. Find the message from Surfshark and copy the code inside. Go back to the Surfshark page and paste the code into the box. Then click Confirm. If the code is correct, you will see that two-factor authentication with email is now active. That is how you set up two-factor authentication on Surfshark. Thanks for watching.